Hey guys, I wanted to do a prank on my boys because they're always freaking out about their sister having a poopy diaper. So I found this on YouTube and I wanted to reenact it. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried this or if you're going to try it on your kids. It's super easy. You just need a cute baby, obviously, like I said before. And Essence didn't really want to cooperate much. She just wanted to eat the chocolate, and I might have started a really bad thing because I don't want her to start eating her poop out of her diaper if she thinks it's the same thing as what she's eating now. But we'll see how that goes. Anyways, you just want to take the chocolate and squish it into your diaper, and then you take your baby in there and you drop the diaper off to the siblings. Let's go. You ready to get your brothers? Yeah. Poop? Let's go get your brothers. Essence. Come on.
No.
Yes.
No.
Essence. Come on, let's go get your brothers.
No.
Yes.
No.
Toddlers. Come on.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, you can get up after we go do this, okay?
Bye.
Yeah, let's go get buy-in.
Mom.
Let's go get buy-in.
Bye.
Yes, this way. Let's go.
Bye.
Let's go. Let's
Up.
go.
Up. Okay.
Yeah. Poop.
Look.
Let's go show your brothers.
No. Up.
Go to switch to your builds.
Essence bought you something.
Whoa! Whoa! No, whoa, Jamal! Why did you bring that in here? No! Why would you do that?
No. This is out. No, this is not about it. No, stop. This isn't poop. No, this isn't
What
poop.
is it?
It's chocolate with oatmeal nuts and stuff. I don't like this.
Why are you
Whoa.
running?
I'm leaving. Nah. Can you take this to the... No.